Aloha, this is Joshua Bowles with Lyric Woodwork and Snake Road Sawmill. This is my apprentice, Mosey. Today we are working on a vanity on a countertop for a client. So I just wanted to share some of the process, some of the things I'm thinking about with one of these. So this is Monkeypod, and it's suitable for a vanity where it's going to be getting a bit wet. It's a dense wood, durable, so I feel good about using it for this purpose. And then some of the things I think about are I do have some live edge here at the front, but you know they're going to have drawers and doors below. So I don't want the variation in the live edge to be too much or too little. Basically, I try to keep it within about an inch and a half range. One of the things I'm doing for this particular piece is having an integral backsplash. And I really like that for these vanities, and that especially for a small room, you know, as a designer, I'm always editing and removing. Um, and so if then the client has to select a tile backsplash, for a small room, it can start getting visually cluttered. So I would suggest a, a wood made out of the same material. And what I'll do is I'll put a bead of silicone here in the back, and then I'll screw it through the back, a little chamfer at the top. And a couple other things that I'm always thinking about with these. One, like 99% of the time, I also do the installation, and I generally strongly suggest that to the client. Not particularly because I want to do it, but because I know if there's a corner, the wall's not going to be square, and so there's going to be an issue, and to have any kind of caulk joint there is just not going to be acceptable. So I always make it about a ½ inch long, with the knowledge that I'll be trimming it in place. So that's why I generally do the installation myself. And then what I'll be doing with this one too, the client wanted a sort of a matte finish, very low luster. So I'm using tung oil, but Waterlox makes a marine grade sealer, which seems suitable for a wet area. And that is how we make a solid wood countertop. So thank you for watching, and so please subscribe to our channel.